Story time! Hi there, kids. Are you ready to read a story with me? Let's read it together. Cat, mat, cat, mat, cat on a mat. Cat on a mat. Cat on a mat. Dog, log, dog, log, dog on a log. Dog on a log. Man, van, man, van, man in a van, man in a van. Fox, box, fox, box, fox in a box, fox in a box. Wig, pig, wig, pig, wig on a pig, wig on a pig, wig on a pig. The end. Bye bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos and printable worksheets are given below in the description box. Keep watching.